too, which is pretty good because I'm filming this video and I'm still on time. So I put my alarm at 6 a.m. just because I know, like, okay, 6 a.m. you gotta get out of here. But I usually really leave like 6:10, 6:12. So let's see how I do today. I have to go get my lunch, make my coffee, get my water, and we're ready to go. Alright, so now it's time to prepare my water. And I usually do this every day, every morning before work. And I just fill up my Starbucks cup with ice, add some apple cider vinegar, and then I kind of just eyeball it. But then there was a little bit left, so I said, what the heck, just going to put it all in. And I'm just going to squeeze the lime. And it's so good and so refreshing, and it makes me feel good. Coffee time. I do my coffee at home because it's so much cheaper. So I just fill up my blender bottle because it's easier to travel with. I fill it up with ice, 3/4 of the Starbucks cold brew black, splash of almond milk, splash of heavy whipping cream, and the Starbucks vanilla syrup that you can find at Target. And this is so much cheaper and it tastes so much better. And then you just shake it, make sure that it's good. I would try it out before I leave, but you know, I'm ready to go. So now we just grab all our stuff and it's time to go. I do eat my breakfast at work, so I have my coffee too at work. Okay, you guys, so this is my morning routine. Oh my god, I can't believe I filmed everything and I think I'm still on time. It's 6:18. I start work at 7, so I gotta drive. So I'll see you guys maybe later, and if I don't see you later, then have a good day. Give this a like, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.